Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Minecraft app not installed as package conflicts with an existing package error in a simple and safe way. This issue usually happens on Android when an old version, mod, or leftover file blocks the new installation. First, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, and search for Minecraft. If you see any version installed, tap it and uninstall completely. After that, restart your phone to clear temporary system cache. Now, open your File Manager and navigate to Internal Storage. Then go to the Android folder, open Data, and look for folders named com.mojang.minecraft.pe. If you find one, delete it carefully, as leftover data often causes this conflict. Next, return to the Android folder, open OBB, and delete the same Minecraft folder if it exists. This step is important because even uninstalled apps can leave hidden files behind. Once done, make sure you are installing the correct APK version for your device architecture, such as ARM64 or ARM-ABv7a, because mismatched versions can trigger this error. If you're using a split APK or bundle installer, ensure all required files are selected before installing. Also, disable any app cloners or parallel space apps, as they can interfere with package signatures. If the error still appears, go to Settings, Security, and enable Install Unknown Apps for your browser or file manager. Finally, download the APK again from a trusted source to avoid corrupted files. After following these steps, try installing Minecraft once more. The app should now install normally without showing the package conflict error, letting you launch and play smoothly without further issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.